Good afternoon everyone, it's Sarah here with another little crafty video slash assembly slash tutorial. So today I'm featuring the Leaf Doily die set from KS Craft. You get two in the pack, and what I've done is I've gone ahead and I've already cut some out, and I've made two, and I've got three that I can share with you and make as I go along. So this is the first one. So that's the leaf doily, and the other little doily that I've got under here, and the chipboard pieces and the flower and the hearts, they all came from the Rosie's Studio haul embellishments, cardboard embellishments that I bought about a month or so ago. So I've made good use of those. So I quite like how that's turned out. It's kind of blue and pinky and purpley. So that's the first one. The second one is this lovely pink one, and it's You Make the Ordinary Moments Extraordinary. So again, it's the larger of the two dies, and then I've got some floral embellishment from, again, it's Rosie's Studio, and again this is Rosie's Studio as well. So that's the other one, and then I've got three that I want to assemble and make along with you. So let's do this big green one because I've already prepped this one. So we've got I've cut this out of olive coloured cardstock, textured cardstock, and because this is quite big, I'm not putting a layering piece of patterned paper down. I've already got some Scotch double-sided foam tape here, and I'm going to place that, if I can get it straight, pop that on. And then I have a small chipboard butterfly that I've put a couple of adhesive squares on. And I'm just going to pop that there. And then that's that one finished. And it's as simple as that, how quickly they can come together. So that's that one. The next one, I didn't quite know what to do with these ones, because I had this and I really liked it and it went with that, but it looked kind of plain just on its own. And then I had this yellow one, and I had also cut one of the smaller ones out in this patterned paper. So what I did was I cut all the leaves off it and stuck it down onto here to give it a background. And then I thought, well, I suppose I could do a double layered one. So I've got some foam adhesive on the back of this. I mean, you could do a whole pile of these just so that they're you've got a few to hand to put on your project. So that looks quite nice, double layered up like that. And again, I've got another piece of double-sided foam on that small embellishment, and I think that looks quite nice just as it is. You could put another I'm sitting with this here at the side, and I'm going to see this little pink lovely. I'm going to take that off of there and stick it on. I often find that the adhesive on these chipboards are not that great, so I'm just going to put a little bit of glue there, and I think that'll just set that off nicely if I put that there. That's perfect actually. There we go. So that's another one done. And then the last one is this green one here. This is just patterned paper, it's not cardstock. And I've got a few layers to go on it. So, I've got some silver sparkly paper that I've had kicking about in my little tub. And if I've got a little tub and I just keep loads of bits and pieces in it. And I just find that that's really helpful when I'm struggling, that I've got, you know, if I've cut out extra die cuts, then I can just pop them down. So I'm going to put that there. We'll have this one a little bit dimensional. I'm going to pop a bit of double-sided foam adhesive down on that. And again, this come out that tub. And that squint, hang on a wee second. That's the only thing when you're trying to craft with a tripod and a camera in front of you. It doesn't make it very easy. There we go. And then I'm going to pop this on foam as well. Excuse me. And then we can pop this on here. I'm going to lift it up again so I don't get the squint. And pop this wee heart just on there. And that heart actually fits on there nicely. Because it's, you know, the top edge of the heart's just on the top edge of that circle and the bottom is just at the bottom there. So to finish this off, I was going to pop this happy on here because that was my intention anyway, until I spied that lovely for that one. And then just pop that on there. That's really pretty. And there we go. And that's our little leaf doilies from the 2 dies from KS Craft. And you can get all these lovely designs. I mean, each one's kind of different. Just try and get them all brought into the camera. So we've kind of got a love, a happy, a plant one, a doggy one, and then a flowery one. So I hope you enjoyed that little assembly tutorial. What I probably should have done was done a couple of more smaller ones, but you get the gist of it, and I hope you enjoy making these yourself if you get these dies. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all very soon with more videos. So thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye for now.